Alright you guys, I am in Michael's. Look at this one, 177. I like how the steps, caution, bumpy ride. Get your little tickets. Got a clown in there, werewolf, looks like an astronaut or something. That is so funny.
Skeleton, calm down. It'll give you chills. It'll make you
I like that one a lot.
take a ride on the famous.
Okay, this is really cool. Look, they have the tire swing with spikes on it. That's funny. And then we have a little snake here, a little tree house, a haunted tree house. That's keep out on that. Then we have like the Reaper on top, the skeleton walking up. These eyes do light up. Okay, for $80. Let me walk over here. That is just so cool. Keep out. Look at that. And this one is supposed to be new. Okay, I like how the tire though does have the spikes on it. Look at that guy creeping out with a little hole right there. And more like another Grim Reaper in the window. And here we have the Count's Candy Corn Factory. Look at that. But we have him up there. Oh my gosh, I like how they have little hats on.
This one's 200.
200?
Mm-hmm.
Melting bat.
I like that cat.
Yeah, no, they're cool.
Let's see if he's good at things.
Bring me another bottle of blood. A positive. And more sugar. Bats are certain. My ghouls are glaring. Who applied the midnight tour? Who is so daring?
That is cool. So this one's going to be 200. And then here we have the space one. Little Area 51. The zombies. Look at the alien guy. He's in charge. That's so funny. I like that. So 195. So this cactus and sign is part of it. The crashing spaceship on the sign. That is like really cool. Very deserty vibes. I do like that. Okay, look at the ballroom one. That is like really, really cool. So it's kind of, you know, like that graveyard one that they did, like what, 2 years ago or something. So now you have a ballroom one, which is kind of cool. On this one, I hear the casket, used caskets. Oh no, he's just digging them up and reusing them. It's kind of cool. A lot of these don't have a sign yet, but I'm sure you can look online. Okay, this one, price is chopped. It's a little tailoring one. That's cute.
Oh, the dancing one, the wedding party, was $102.
102?
Mm-hmm.
I do like this arcade though. That's kind of cool. The arcade has music?
Yeah, I gotta get to it. Like in your way.
It's fine. Kilobytes, huh? I just saw that.
Do aliens exist? And are they among us? The proof
Oh, did I just turn the aliens up? I turned the aliens up.
I was gonna say, it didn't sound like arcade. The Full Moon Lagoon. Look at the little beast in the eye right there.
So the arcade doesn't have.
It's a lagoon. You gotta be careful. No price again. More trick-or-treaters at the gate. Drax Cabinet of Oddities. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like one big one. So we have like the stairs, skeleton. Are these separate? No. So Dr. Frank's laboratory right here.
The arcade was $120, but it doesn't look like it has settings, which is silly. You think an arcade would. Which one's that?
So we got Camp, Drac. The Mummy has a little store here in this building. Psychic reading, mummy wraps. That's so funny. Oh, look, a little menu, mummy wraps. That's kind of funny. That's a cool one. This one, just like a little one. And then Hocus Pocus, Portrait Studio. Ask about our dearly deported specials. Departed. Departed. Look at the little guy.
It's 55.
Which one?
The one you're looking at right now.
55 for this guy?
Yeah, it just lights up. It has a wake up.
Oh, I just saw the. I didn't know that went down. This is cool.
They have a lot of water ones. They have this one and that one. They're water.
Little gargoyle on top. $175 for this one.
Yeah.
That's cool. And then $130 for the lagoon.
Yeah, but this one you actually put water in and it does stuff. I think it fogs too.
Oh yeah. A lot of cool
But
stuff.
this boat will float.
Oh right, it is out. I kind of like this ballroom one. I think, and it's different from the graveyard. Drop dead box. That's funny actually.
It's funny, I
Drop
think
dead
the bottle
box.
is cheaper online. It's $125 here. I think it was like $107 online.
This one I didn't see, did we? Oh, the Fearful Fashions?
right
No. Oh. Okay.
That's $65.
That's 65. This witch one, I don't think this one was out.
Some of them weren't out. They're still selling.
$80 right here. Student flyer. That's funny. They're flying school.
I haven't seen that one.
That's over here in the
Is that
corner.
casket
Yeah.
right there?
No, right. The casket monger is somewhere up here. I just looked at it. Yeah, because $50 for that.
Oh,
Okay.
there's on the other side.
Let's see if they have any new little pieces. Normally they do. Scarecrow, pumpkins. These are $25. Pumpkins for sale.
There's a couple of them in here I haven't seen. There's like
This
another
is a new one, but you know, sometimes their paint job, like, they're too pink. You know, during Christmas time, they become like really pink. It's a little witch one. And the clown, he's on the toilet, it looks like. More pumpkins and graves. But okay, you guys, check out your local Michaels.
Oh, there's tons of them we haven't seen that are in boxes. I'll show you. This was one that
This
you were
one we
looking at.
haven't seen. This is $89.99.
The Cabinet of Curiosities one is right here. That was $130.
$130.
Look at all these little minis though. There are a lot of minis.
These are $29.99.
On the other side there are some too. That we haven't
$37. The tree with the skulls, $29.99. And it's like a pizza. Look at, they're all eating. Look at
That
the
would be cool
count.
with your witch houses.
Yo, yeah, it would. $55. That's like a
Those used to
new.
be the $30
These used to, it's like a whole new house.
Mm-hmm.
Happy Halloween. That's $45. That's cute though. I do like how she's putting up the banner. Perfect for the graveyard or the ballroom. Perfect. How much is that one?
This one's cool. This one is.
I like this one.
37.
37. Okay, I like that.
That's like a $20.
This is 45. This one, I can't believe it's 55 though. I mean, you do get a lot with it. What is this one?
Spell books.
And that is $70.
I like how they're numbering them now. They're numbering the boxes.
Alright, you guys. Please stay safe out there. Ooh, and that's gonna open for $59.99.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to see that. What it looks like. Here's another like which one? This one's $32. Toad soup. You want to learn how to make toad soup? They got it for you. That's pretty cool. And then here's the front. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one.